We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned about the different possibility in the bigger picture. And we mentioned whoever get the trade from here, they should move their stop loss to break even. And we have been looking for buy from here. We mentioned how we can look for trade, and the only way was to put our entry above the top. Okay. Anyway, as what we expected, the price move, and even if we put our fib here, in turn relative to this, we can see for the next entry, next trade also the price tag 27, because we mentioned any trade setup be considered as a short-term trade. Anyway, who will get the trade either from this correction or from here, they should move their stop loss to break even. If not, at least stick with the trade in the small profit, because we're looking for the next correction. And if for me, if I want to look for the next trade, I prefer this one turn to a deeper correction. Okay, we need to be quite careful. Maybe there is a possibility for the price to drop. That's why whatever the trade we get based on 1 hour chart, we have to start to manage. And the best things is, if we get the correction based on 4 hour chart, it can give us better confirmation for continuation. That's why I mentioned, if we get any trade setup based on 1 hour chart, we have to start to manage from this to correction. And the next one, I prefer this one turn to a deeper correction, not similar to any of this. It can give us better confirmation for the next, for continuation as a long-term trade. Okay. Anyway, if we want to look for trade for the next one, we have to wait for the correction. And whoever get the trade, especially from this correction, I think the best things is if it can move their stop loss to break even. If not, take with the trade. But for the first one, still they can move their stop loss to break even and just let it go. Okay, because the way it's moving is not really sharp, and mostly if we cannot see the deeper correction, the price can drop. That's why we have to start to manage. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And even if we put our fib here, the next level we can look for is somewhere around this 26 cent. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.